So we're going to take a look at a Kossack Squat exercise today. The Kossack Squat exercise is a great way to start to challenge groin strength and length. It's also a really nice opportunity for us to explore some different types of single leg squat movements. So if people are having a difficult time with their performance on things like pistol squats or even certain kinds of split squats, this is a nice opportunity to kind of lead into some of those exercises. I also like this exercise a lot if people are coming in with complaints of sticky, pinchy hips during their squats. We know that groin strength and length, as well as posterior hip mobility and length, are going to be crucial for a comfortable squat. So when we're taking a look at the Kossack Squat, there are a few different ways to set this exercise up. However, I like to cue it where people are focusing primarily on keeping the arch of their foot in contact with the ground. So whether that looks toes out, toes in, whatever you can comfortably work on is going to be key. You're going to find width in your stance that you can stay steady and balanced in. And then the focus for the exercise is to sit straight into one foot, push out of the foot and into the other. So as you sit into the right leg, you're going to focus on keeping everything stacked, having nice even contact through your foot. And as you go to push out of the squat, you're going to drive through the arch of your foot to bring yourself back up and then transition into the other leg. Pushing away through the foot, back to the starting position, and sitting in to the opposite leg. I like to dose this exercise more for the groin strength, especially at length. So I'm typically prescribing anywhere from 3 to 4 sets of approximately 6 to 10 repetitions. Kossack squats, along with other lunges and other mobility type movements, their benefits become twofold when you can find ways to add external load to these exercises. So as people improve on their form, they feel more comfortable in the movements themselves, their depth is looking appropriate. You can start to add weight into the hands, whether it's a kettlebell in a front rack position or weight dumbbell between the hands and the legs, and then allow that person to sit into the Kossack squat movement.